welcome to HS Hanuvat Sungara's channel. Today our topic is light, shadow and reflection. In this lesson we are going to learn about source of light, transparent, translucent and opaque materials, propagation of light, shadow, reflecting surfaces. And guys, before we go into the lesson, let's know about luminous objects and non-luminous objects. Luminous objects are the objects which has property of light. Non-luminous objects are the objects which does not have the property of light. Examples of luminous objects are sun and fireflies. Examples of non-luminous objects are wood, glass, etc. Let's go to the lesson. Let's start with source of light. What is source of light? The source of light means the things of source means how can we tell light? Sun is the source of light, like that. There are two types of source of light. They are natural source of light and artificial source of light. Examples of natural source of light are sun, fireflies. Examples of artificial source of light are bulb and candles. We completed source of light. Now let's go to transparent, translucent and opaque materials. The materials which allow light to pass through them is known as transparent materials. Examples of transparent materials are clear air, clear water and clear glass. The material which does not allow light to pass through it is known as opaque materials. Examples of opaque materials are wood, metal, etc. The material which allows little bit of light to pass through it is known as translucent materials. Examples of translucent materials are fog glasses, etc. And guys, we completed two things. Now let's go to propagation of light. Propagation means in physics, means in this lesson, propagation means traveling of light like that. Okay? We will explain this propagation in this light lesson by using rays and beams. What is a ray, guys? We know a ray will do like a ray has one arrow and it goes to one side. A group of rays in a parallel variation forms some beams. The light beams comes. We explain the beam and the rays like that. The rays means the sun rays falls on us. A group of rays it makes a parallel form makes a beam. Some beams are falling on us like that. Complete a propagation of light. Now let's go to shadow. Hey guys, what is a shadow? A shadow is a black thing which shows the outline of our body. Okay? Yeah, that's the thing. A shadow forms only when the light and opaque object and the screen or surface is behind the object. The shadow forms. Otherwise, the shadow does not form. Now let's know the characteristics of a shadow. A shadow is just in the color of black. First one, and the shadow only shows the outline of the body. And the next one is a shadow size will be depending on the distance between the object and the source of light. These are the three characteristics of a shadow. Now let's go to reflecting surfaces. Hey guys, I told right, the light rays the light rays fall on us. Even sometimes on some objects like glasses, the light rays fall and reflect to another side. Once you go to a dark room and wear the light on a mirror, you can see the light somewhere like this, here or there, somewhere else. Just observe it. When guys, if the mirror is so soft, the surface is so soft, the light rays goes in a parallel directions. If the light rays are not in an if they will be every time in a parallel direction, if the surface is not clear, somewhat roughy, the rays will not go in a parallel direction. And guys, now let's go to image. The difference between image and a shadow. Image has a color, but a shadow has only black color. Image shows the not only outline and the details, but the shadow only shows the outline of the body. Him. And a shadow's length will be depending on the object's the distance between the object and the sun, source of light. But in an image, even in an image it shows like that, but when we take a photo, we see an image. It shows our total body, and it shows the length exactly what are we. And guys, this is our lesson. Before we leave this class, let's see one thing that is about a pinhole camera. Now, before we learn about pinhole camera, let's go to a board explanation for knowing about a pinhole camera. Like this. Pinhole camera is just like this. You can see this, guys. Here will be a small hole for this, even for this, there is a small hole. And here, a pinhole camera will be covered with a paper, and here it will be covered with a translucent paper. In a pinhole camera, guys, in a pinhole camera, the diagram, if it is just like this, it comes like this. Means in a pinhole camera, what can we see? It just makes the picture into a reverse side. This that side and this will be this side. We can only make a pinhole camera in your home. How means pinhole camera is simple in your home. By we need two papers or two cans. First take a big can and a small can. For the big can, you keep a paper and keep a hole for the paper. And for the small can, take a translucent paper and keep a hole. Then you keep the big small ones into the big ones, and see, you can see anything in your side. This was known as the pinhole camera. And guys, this was our class for today. And guys, I'm keeping the motor side. And guys, thank you. Like, share, and subscribe. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you. Bye.